Good morning, everyone. I am Aradhya and I study in class 7th in Gyanodaya International School. And today I am going to speak about the topic, is money everything in the world or not? So, let's get start. About the money. Today is the most important thing that everybody is running behind is the money, and money is the type. Is a type that has catch the people's attraction a lot. Without money, not any people can is not doing job, because in every job we to get something. So we get in the change we get money. In earlier times the money is in the form of any other things. So uh, but uh, about the whatever I have said, you can realize that I am going to speak about that the money is everything, but it's
Listen carefully and you have to ask questions also, okay?
but
It's
but it's not, because if we want to sleep, we can buy bed but not sleep. If we want peace, we cannot buy anything else. We can even join a class of yoga to get peace or do anything by giving money. But what's the reason if we do not get peace from it? We get peace from our mind or when we are calm. So are the things which money is not so important. So in this topic, or in this way, I am saying that money is not important. So anybody wants to ask any question?
So many questions are there. Yes. Ask questions. He's saying money is not everything, huh?
Why do you think so that money is not important? Is really for surviving is really crucial for money?
It's okay that for our survival today money is needed, but if we can buy food, you are saying for our survival what we need, we need food or water or anything else do you need? By many times a person needs many things like reading books. Means he can't get her mind calm without reading books or anything else. So what did you, if you do not have a mind to read it, you cannot mind buy anything that please give me mind, I will give you money. You can buy books but not everything. So in this way I am saying that money is not important.
The first thing is money is priority and after that other things.
It is said no money, no respect. Is it true?
No sir, no sir, man. No sir.
Those who have money are respected. Suppose there is an election and a person is about to be elected as the president of any society. Okay. So who do you think will be elected?
Sir,
It's not about election. It's about in any society. आप किसी भी समाज का देख लो तो जो leader होगा या अध्यक्ष होगा, the president will be the rich person. Is it true or not?
Sir, I think so. It's not true because I agree that the every people first go to the rich man because they know he will give us money to do everything. But what if he is rich? But then also he doesn't have that much mind to do anything. So what will be the result that we have made the rich person a president of the colony, or but it's got all in the well. So what's and many players also become rich by only playing, and before we can see they do not have even money for their survival. But we can earn respect from our personality too, not only from money. This is the reason. Any other question?
Okay. Any other question?
If you are having rupee 1 crore, then what will you do with it?
If I have 1 crore rupee, so it's a very big amount. So everybody will think that they will do so. But I am telling going to tell about my opinion. So in my opinion, first of all, I will um, think about the people, because I have everything. For survival I have everything. I have sufficient money, my parents give me. But if I have it, so first of all I will give this monies to the those who do not have those things. Like many poors are there who do not even have food or clean water to drink or eat. So I will give it to them. And after it, if it remains, I will use in savings it.
It is said, there is a proverb, money is sweeter than honey. What does it mean?
So money is sweeter than honey. I am going to tell about it. Like everybody eats honey. It's sweet, but what if we, and it's said we have made it. It's not made that money is sweeter than honey. So how do we get the sweet in it? With giving money to the person. So what's the reason behind why it's sweeter? Because if we have money, it's we get the more honey, which is sweeter than, because many types of honeys
No,
so
proverbs don't have literal meaning. They have a deep meaning. Money is sweeter than honey means what?
um,
You थोड़ी पैसा शहद से मीठा तो टेस्ट में मीठा थोड़ी है. Money gives you pleasure. Okay, money gives you better pleasure, more pleasure. Okay, when you have money, the smile comes on your face. Your mood is good.
Sir, in a see a negative views of the sweeter, so we.
I am telling the meaning of the proverb. I am telling the meaning of it. Okay,
Mm.
very.
thank you.